Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a reminder of the class, intermediate class, we taught at the Kenn Centre on the 7th of December 2021. We started with a sway, we did accordion cone bouncers, we did a first move push behind, and then we finished off with a man tunnel. Links to the teachers of those moves in the description below if you need it, but hopefully this kind of aide-memoire should be enough to get you through it if you did the class. Started off right to right, went like this, 7 and 8 for the sway, went back, wrap, pick up the hand, forwards, over, then we're in the accordion, so we go return, cone 1, cone 2, cone 3, and back, first move push behind, in, spin, 2 hands to the side, wrapping round for the man tunnel, through, back, prep, return spin and back, and that was the whole thing. Hope you've enjoyed it. Hope that's enough to get you through the routine again after having learned it at the class. If you need more, do remember the links in the description below. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation to practice to on the end, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft and coming to our classes. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.